The journey to the throne: 7 tips for traveling with diarrhea. Welcome, brave travelers. Does the thought of traveling make your stomach churn? Don't worry, we've got your back and your front. Traveling with diarrhea? Totally manageable, with a side of humor. Remember, it's just a little detour on the wild adventure we call life. Laugh it off and keep exploring. Tip 1: Know your bathrooms. Understanding bathroom hotspots. Starbucks. Coffee equals free Wi-Fi equals clean bathrooms. Gas stations. Always a gamble, but hey, at least you'll have a snack for the road. Invest in a portable toilet app. It's like Uber, but for your bowels. Tip 2: Snack wisely. When traveling, munch on safe snacks. Avoid spicy street food unless you're eager for an adventure. Stick to bland foods. Think crackers, bananas, and rice. It's like a Guardian of the Galaxy diet but with less dancing. Tip 3: Carry your essentials. Emergency kit must-haves. A travel-sized roll of toilet paper, or as I call it, the Holy Grail. A bottle of water. Hydration is key. You don't want a superhero breakdown. Wet wipes. Because hygiene shouldn't take a vacation. Tip 4: Communicate with your travel buddy. Your partner in crime needs to know. Create a secret signal, a cough, a weird dance move, whatever it takes to ensure they know it's time to find the nearest loo. Tip 5: Embrace the adventure. Turn it into a story worth telling. When you get back, everyone will want to hear about your dramatic bathroom escapades. Just remember, never take the long way when you could have taken the quick route. Tip 6: Dress for success. Outfit choices matter. Choose pants with strategic accessibility. The last thing you want is a complex button situation when nature calls. Pro tip: avoid belts that double as a torture device. Elastic waistbands, your new best friend.
Ooh.
Oh, oh, oh.
Tip 7: Timing is everything. Know when to go. If you feel a rumble in the jungle, don't ignore it. It's like a storm warning from your stomach. Timing your snacks. The earlier you nibble, the better you can gauge your route through the land of toilets. Think of it like a Mission Impossible, but with less explosive action and more urgent dashes. As you conquer the challenge of traveling with diarrhea, remember, every great adventure comes with a little, let's say, unexpected baggage. Laugh, adapt, and live to tell the tale. Share your clever tricks in the comments below to stay comfortable and make us all laugh. Bonus laughs for the most ridiculous, gotta go, moments. Remember, life's too short to worry about a little tummy trouble. Wear your adventures with pride. Safe journeys and epic tales await.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.